Hi guys, Karina from Premier Fitness Solutions or from my home. Today is Tuesday, so I'm actually not working in the office. I'm taking care of my kids and cooking and recording videos. So anyways, I wanted to invite you for a quick pic to see how I make little sweet potato sandwiches. And then in the meantime, I was baking those potatoes. So you can see, have a few potatoes that I grew in my garden, which is super cool. I'm so excited. I don't know if they're as sweet, but I'm so excited about it. And I just use them like a sandwich base, So I'm gonna use one here, and I'm gonna use the other one, so you could see how I make them together. I will use an egg and a little bit of turkey. You can use any organic meat, ham or Canadian bacon, whatever you want. I don't really have a lot of stuff. I have tomatoes as well, so I'm going to use tomatoes. I do have a chive growing in my garden, so I'm going to use a little bit of chive. And at the same time, since the oven is going, I always try to use the heat in the oven for something else. So I just mashed 5 bananas here. I'm going to use 5 eggs, 5 tablespoons of almond flour, a little bit of baking powder, aluminum free, to make my little muffins, So this is what I'm going to do, little sandwiches with sweet potato. If you don't like sweet potato, that's quite alright. You can get Ezekiel bread or this sprouted grain bread from Trader Joe's. Here's the toast. You can use that instead of a sweet potato. It's up to you. Wheat is not the best for us, so I try not to use it too much, but honestly, the wheat tomato sandwich is one of my favorite sandwiches on earth. I also use this New Zealand grass-fed cheese from Trader Joe's, so I'm gonna cut it up a little bit, so you guys can see. So I'm gonna slice it. Cheese is not necessary, you don't have to use it, but I'm gonna use this, lay it on my little potato. I'm gonna fry an egg. I normally use grass-fed butter for frying egg, but this time, I just got burnt. This time I'm gonna use coconut oil because I don't have a grass-fed butter. I don't really use anything else but ghee, butter, or coconut oil or olive oil in my kitchen. I don't use any other oils, just because they oxidize easy and they can cause a lot of inflammation in our body. So I use only those fats. So here it is. I'm gonna use some. There you go. My coconut oil, just enough to grease the pan. Honestly, just tiny a little bit. I'm gonna burn myself again, probably. Anyways, there you go. Perfect. I'm gonna crack the egg, and as I crack the egg in my pan, I'm also gonna crack the egg for. There we go. That's 1 egg for the sandwich, and I'm gonna crack the rest for my banana muffin. So here we go. 1. There you go. I do buy organic eggs at Trader Joe's or Aldi. I also get eggs from a local farm from my client's daughter-in-law. I'm very lucky to get that. Man, everything is falling down here. 2 and 3. Perfect. Pasture raised eggs are the best. Then maybe free range, and then organic. Here we go. So here it is. I'm mixing those eggs. So 6 bananas, 6 eggs, mixing it in. I honestly try to do a lot of things at the same time. Try to use the heat in the oven for other things than just sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes take a long time to bake, to be good. So the oven is going to be really, really hot. So I might as well use it for my muffins. Perfect. Okay, I have this. I did forget to shred my zucchini. Here we go. My egg is frying. There you go. So I'm still shredding a zucchini. So I'm gonna do about half a zucchini in those muffins as well, because my kids don't eat a lot of vegetables. That's really my one way to get them eat some zucchini in those banana muffins. There you go, almost done. There you go. Perfect. Nice, so here it is. I'm mixing it together. So it's zucchini. Oh, I think I did 5 bananas, not 6. Oh wow. 6 eggs, anyways. There you go. Then almond flour. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Overcook the egg. 4, 5, and 6. There you go. And I'm going to do the baking powder. Okay. Spoon as well. There you go. Perfect. Mixing it together. And that's it. I also add some cinnamon to it. It gives it a kind of cool cinnamony taste. So I'm going to do that. See how it mixes up. There you go. Perfect. The egg is almost ready. I'm going to put some salt. Very good. Just a little bit. I like my egg runny, so I'm going to leave it like this. Here we go. See if it will come out. Perfect. See, I will turn it over just for a second so it's not super runny. And put it on my toast. There you go. Here you go. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this off. Here it is. I'm going to put some chives on. Big. And tomato. I had a tomato already here. Here it is. Perfect. A tomato from my garden as well. Perfect. You can just do the egg. You can also do the turkey or a ham. It's up to you. There you go. I'm going to do cheese on the other side, just tiny a little bit. There you go. Here. Here, I'm taking a lot of your time, guys. There. Okay. The turkey that I get, and that's one of non-organic things I get. It's the only ingredients is turkey and salt, a little bit of sugar, 1% only. But it looks like a real turkey breast, you know. So I make exception for non-organic items. There you go. So that's a turkey that Kaya gets for school. There you go. There you go. Covered up with the egg. And here is your sweet potato, turkey, egg, tomato sandwich. I'm gonna cut it in half so you can see it all. The egg is dripping. There you go. Perfect. Nice. Very cool. Okay, so this is done. I can put it back in the oven for a second just to keep it warm. This is my mixture for the banana, zucchini. So since I put a little more eggs, I need to put a little extra flour in. So here it's super runny. Because I'm gonna put 1 kind of big tablespoon in, or teaspoon in. So I use teaspoon, and that's what the problem is, I think, instead of a tablespoon. Didn't pay attention. And I'm gonna put some, excuse me, cinnamon. I'm gonna put some cinnamon in. There you go. Cinnamon, 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 cinnamon. There you go. Nala, oh my gosh, the dog ate the sandwich, and the dog ate half of the sandwich. Oh my goodness. Oh, Nala. Didn't pay attention. All right, that's okay. Nala, not nice. Getting in trouble. Alright, so this is my mixture for my muffins, and I'm going to use a big spoon to pour it in, and we'll be all done, guys. How about this? Okay. How about this? Out of the way. There you go. Here. Here. Pour it in my little muffin containers. The kids love those, and I love that they love those because there's just egg, some almond flour, zucchini, cinnamon in it, so bananas, obviously. They're banana muffins, but nothing bad in it, so at least I feel like it's a win for me. Alright, I will show you just in a second what it looks like, and then I will take a picture of it once it's done so you guys can see. But again, super quick, didn't require a lot of effort, you know. You can see, guys, it's done in a minute. This dog wants to eat everything. There you go, here they are. Alright, I will put it in the oven and put her away, and then I will talk to you soon. Bye.